The third pruning style is chunk pruning, and it's a method to try and increase the speed of hand pruning by making a few pruning cuts of limbs or branches. About 20 to 30% of the canopy is removed, and annual chunk pruning should rejuvenate the whole of the canopy every 5 years. So I've just pruned out this limb, and I estimate about 20% of the canopy was removed just with this one limb. Sometimes it might take 2 or 3 smaller limbs to get the same job. But we're going to stop there. We can do maybe one more, but we'll just continue on. It's always best to err on caution. The limb cut is about 50 mil, and often you'll be pruning branches around about 30 up to 100 mil in diameter, depending upon the circumstances. This is the pruning cut we just made, and if you notice that I did have it raised up a little bit, this is because I want the canopy to regrow from this limb and continue to produce good canopy. This is one of the disadvantages of chunk pruning, is that it will take time for these branches to grow and then start bearing fruit. This tree was chunk pruned last year, and you can see the large gap that was made by the cut that was made last year. The important thing is we've got some new growth occurring here, which is great to see. We've also got some new growth occurring from the original cut that occurred. However, we're not going to cut this side of the tree. We're going to go to the other side of the tree and now do another cut. That's one limb, and a bit more than that I think we need. Right, I think this gap here is definitely enough, and we can walk on and do the next tree.